Hello and welcome to Midas Markets Daily News. Let's kick off your trading day with the latest financial news and market headlines.
Hi traders, this is Jason with the market update. The US dollar index extended its gains on Wednesday, climbing above 99. The move followed the Federal Reserve's expected 5 basis point rate cut, though Chair Jerome Powell made it clear that another cut in December isn't guaranteed. Market expectations for a December cut slipped to around 88% from roughly 90% earlier in the day. Investors still largely anticipate another 5 basis point reduction, consistent with the Fed's September outlook. WTI crude traded just above $60 after sliding more than 2% on Tuesday. Traders weighed the impact of new US sanctions on two major Russian oil firms and speculated about potential output increases from OPEC Plus in December. Last week, both Brent and WTI posted their biggest weekly gains since June after the US reimposed sanctions on Russia's Lukoil and Rosneft over the Ukraine issue. Now, OPEC and its allies appear inclined to modestly boost production in December. Spot gold hovered just below $4,000 an ounce on Wednesday after touching a 3-week low on Tuesday. Hopes of progress in trade talks reduced gold's safe haven appeal, while attention turned to the Fed's rate decision. At the LBMA annual conference, analysts forecast gold could reach $4,980 within 12 months, though Citi and Capital Economics recently trimmed their targets. With global sentiment shifting toward risk assets, investors sold gold in favor of equities and tech stocks. The yen hovered near 152.5 as traders prepared for the Bank of Japan's policy meeting. Rates are expected to stay unchanged, though officials may discuss conditions for resuming hikes as tariff risks ease and inflation lingers. On Tuesday, US Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent met Japan's finance minister to discuss currency volatility, urging a sound monetary approach seen as criticism of Japan's slow normalization. Japan's economic minister said authorities are watching the weak yen closely, though exporters continue to benefit. During Wednesday's US session, the euro slipped toward 1.16. Optimism over a US-China trade deal lifted the greenback while weighing on risk-sensitive currencies like the euro. Traders are now focused on Thursday's European Central Bank meeting, where rates are expected to remain unchanged for a third consecutive time. ECB President Christine Lagarde has said policy is well positioned, emphasizing a data-driven approach rather than pre-committing to future moves.
We hope you enjoyed today's market outlook. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Remember to join us tomorrow morning for the freshest news.